Today we are talking about a dead Apple Watch turning into a Matchbox clock. So let's get started. First, let's disassembling the watch. Removing the screen, then battery. The battery looks good. Let's first test the battery. It's showing some potential across the terminal. Let's put the wire in the terminal and charge the battery first. When I put the fancy Apple cable, it doesn't work. Then when I put some normal cable, guess it's worked well. Let's focus on the ESP32, a teeny microcontroller which allows us to program, which power the clock. We can connect directly with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Next, let's set up the ESP32. Component ready. Let's assemble the matchbox. Now, let's assemble the final circuit. Connecting the display, microcontroller and the battery in the matchbox. With everything hooked up and screwed, we will test it one last time before closing the box. And here it is, the finished Matchbox clock, a simple, functional and a great way to reuse the old tech. If you like this project, be sure to subscribe for more such creation, and thanks for watching.